It's summer, it's hot. Who wants to go in the kitchen, cook, and make it all steamy and hot in there? Instead, let's just grab a blender and whip up some Blenderifically quick and easy summer tomato soup. So quick and easy to make, and it's very refreshing to eat. Fantastic. Perfect for summer. Let's go in the kitchen and make some right now. All right, to make our Blenderifically quick and easy summer tomato soup, all we need is a blender and a couple of ingredients. So what we have here is, first of all, the tomatoes. If you can get them, beautiful garden fresh tomatoes. About a medium-sized tomato, about 3 of them. It's about a pound of tomatoes, and you can chop them, wedge them, whatever you want to do, because they're all going to go in the blender anyways. Over here we have 1 cup of yogurt. That really adds good flavor and mellowness to the whole soup. 1 15-ounce can of chicken stock, or a little bit over 1.5 cups of chicken stock. Here, 1 tablespoon of honey. That just kind of tweaks up the flavor. And then a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and optional, but if you want, as a garnish, about a teaspoon or so of minced up parsley, which you can sprinkle on top. Now, not everybody likes that, so really up to what everybody wants on their soup. So let's make our soup. First of all, in go the tomatoes. Then we've got the yogurt. Get all that delicious yogurt in there. This is a plain yogurt. You don't want anything sweetened or anything like that. Just get a good plain yogurt. And then the honey. And here I'm using my my darker honey, the one that's got a little bit more flavor to it. This one's a little too strong for some things, but good for this soup. All right, in goes that. That was just a delicious honey. And then the soup stock. And we'll top that off with a little bit of salt. Now, time to zap it. I always like to start off slow. You don't want to spray all over. And since we're not using a hot liquid, we don't need to use a towel this time, but still, you don't want anything spraying out there. So always start off kind of like a mix and then work up towards a puree. All right, so it's just a little under a minute, just long enough to make sure everything's pureed up. And there you go. Our soup is ready. Bring on a bowl. Pour some into a bowl. Just about looks like strawberry milkshake coming out of here. Let's give that a quick taste test. That's a refreshing summer soup. Yep. So then what you do is just, when you go to serve it, usually you let it sit for a couple minutes after you blend it. You're not going to get these bubbles on top. It's going to look much nicer. But let's just quickly throw a little bit of parsley on top. And there we go. Blenderifically quick and easy summer tomato soup. Enjoy some of this summer. It is really refreshing on a hot summer day. Now, if you go to the link appearing on the screen, you can get the free printable recipe for Blenderifically quick and easy summer tomato soup on our website. So go print out the recipe, have fun making and eating this refreshing soup, and make cooking fun again with Kuma's Kitchen.